welcome back. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your own throttle position sensor on your Sunfire or caviler. Now this is going to be pretty simple, quick, forward and straight to the point, so we're just going to get right to work. Now our throttle position sensor is located here on the throttle body. Now we got a cold air intake on this one, so the big air box is out of the way right here, but if that's in your way, it's pretty simple to get off. There's one hose clamp around it, and you can usually reach right here under the throttle cable, take a screwdriver, loosen it off, and then pull the air box out of your way. Okay, now if you see here, here's a throttle position sensor, and right below it, if you can see that, is a torque head screw. Now it's a T20, so we're just going to take our torque head, break it loose, and pull our sensor off. Careful of the screw. Now we're going to pop this lock. It might take a screwdriver or something to pop that lock. You can see we got it popped. Then we're going to come up under here with a screwdriver or something narrow and pop this latch. And then throttle position sensor comes off. Now the new sensor came with a new screw, so we're going to go ahead and use that. We got it in there. We're going to keep our finger on it, get lined up with the hole, get the sensor pushed in, and tighten it down. There we go. Don't try to tighten it too tight because it is plastic. Now, probably for the hardest part, we're just going to plug it back in. We'll plug it in, push the lock, we're good to go. Alright, and there it is. Now that is honestly a really easy change. Now if you got the air box, obviously you put the air box back on. So compared to what I did, there might be 2 extra steps with the factory air box, but still, that's not a big deal at all. There you have it. Quick, easy, straight to the point. And I believe any of y'all can do this yourself. No need to take it to the shop. Save yourself the time and money. Just be sure to start it up. Maybe drive it around the block just to make sure everything's reading correctly. If you have a friend with a scanner, plug it in, make sure all the readings are correct, and go. That's all there is to it. Now if you liked this video and found the information useful, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. And as always, thanks for watching.